Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some fantastic Cottage Home Decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Fantastic Cottage Home Decor is a cozy, romantic interior style that blends vintage charm with shabby chic and cottagecore aesthetics. It is all about creating a warm, lived-in feeling with soft colors, antique or distressed furniture, and floral touches. The roots of the style, fantastic cottage decor draws from multiple influences, vintage, relics from the past. Think mid-century finds, flower market treasures, and antique pieces. Chic, a touch of elegance and refinement. Even if pieces are old, they are styled tastefully. Cottage, cozy, casual, and natural inspired. The vibe is emphatic, not overly polished. It is like walking into your grandmother's house, but with a Pinterest earthy refresh. Signature features furniture, use cloth bathtubs, iron bed frames, and armoires. Use painted wood furniture, chalk painted or milk painted for that own-in look. Mix matched chairs or mismatched knobs and handles to add character. Floors and walls, wooden floors, often aged or whitewashed. Use wainscoting, baseboard, or wallpaper with floral or tile patterns. Use light-colored walls, often white, creams, or pastel painted. Lighting, windows candelabras or rustic painted lights. Use lamps with lace or floral shades. Use natural light scheme. Keep windows open or sheer curtained. Decor accents, china cabinets with antique dishware, repurposed items like old windows, used as frames or ladder shelves. Cottage garden elements indoors, red lavender, wild flowers, terracotta pots. Use books, dollies, vintage clocks, and repurposed crafts. Textures and layers. Layering is used in this style. Pile on cushions and throws. Layer rugs like a jute rug under a floral one. Mix textures. Soft linens with Shahivan wood or shiny metals with matte finishes. Why to shop outsourced items, tipped stores and flower markets, estate sales and antique shops, online marketplaces like Stay or Facebook Marketplace, even dye, painting old furniture or making decor from salvaged wood. Who it is good for? Lovers of cozy, calming environments. Those who appreciate handmade, sentimental, or heirloom items. People who want a unique and personal home style that feels lived in. The heart of fantastic cottage style. This decor is not just about aesthetics. It reflects a way of living. It embraces simplicity, warmth, and nostalgia. Think of curling up with a book on a slip-covered armchair. sipping tea from a mismatched china cup with fresh flowers on the table, and a breeze coming through an open window. It is about slowing down and finding beauty in imperfections. Design philosophy, sustainability, and reuse. The use of vintage items is not just for style, it is also a conscious choice to upcycle, repurpose, and give new life to old things. Emotional connection. Pieces often have a story, a quilt from a grandparent, a triplet mirror, a repaint dresser, all carry sentiment. Imperfection is beauty. Scratches out, chipped paint, and faded fabrics all add to the charm. Room by room application. Living room. Slip covered sofas in neutral tones. Use floral or ruffled pillows, lace curtains, and a distressed old coffee table. Wall art like botanical prints, vintage paintings, and antique frames. Kitchen. Use open shelving with vintage dishes, a farmhouse sink, and oak countertops. Use glassed jars filled with charred coats, animal oil, and hanging copper pans. Use a small herb garden on the windowsill. Bedroom. Use iron bed frame or a walnut oat headboard. Use ruffled bedding or patchwork quilts. Use antique dressers, mismatched nightstands, and floral lamps. Use soft lighting with fairy lights or vintage sconces. Bathrooms. Use cloth tub or freestanding vintage style sink. Use a vanity with distressed oat finish. Also use floral shower curtains, scented candles, lace trimmed towels. Outdoor spaces, cottage garden vibe, white picket fences, wildflowers, and climbing roses. Use old iron furniture, vintage lanterns, and cozy cushions. Use potting benches, hanging baskets, and rustic garden tools. Popular materials are that wood, earth iron, porcelain, and ceramics, linen, cotton, and lace, rattan and wicker. Signature patterns, florals, especially English garden style, gingham, tulle, and stripes. Also, delicate embroidery and crochet accents. Color ideas. Here are some cozy romantic combos. White plus dusty rose plus cheese green. Use ivory plus robin's egg blue plus minted mustard. Cream plus lavender plus antique gold. Space plus faded red plus soft moss green. Emotional atmosphere. What makes vintage cottage special is how it feels. The goal is not just beauty, it is to create an emotional experience. Nostalgia. It evokes memories of childhood homes, countryside escapes, or simpler times. Comfort. Every bit invites you to slow down. Soft textures, warm lighting, and gentle details create emotional safety. I'd say slightly eclectic and creative. It allows for quick refines and fun combinations. Styling tips and tricks. Mix don't match. Don't worry about perfectly coordinated sets. Blends eras 1940s chairs with a 1980s floral sofa. Yes. Let your space look crowded over time, not like it came from a catalog. Crouch with intention. Group items with meaning. Old love letters in a clusters. A stack of vintage cookbooks or framed family photos. Create small mementos or vignettes on tables and shelves. Patina is power. Don't over-restore a little rust, chipped paint, or finding adds authenticity. Look for natural is rather than artificial distressing when possible. Add greenery, plants, fresh flowers, and even dried blooms bring life. Herbs in vintage teacups or watering cans used as vases are cute and functional. Scent matters. Scent is part of the atmosphere. Use lavender, sashes, rose candles, or natural potpourri. Blending with other styles. Vintage cottage is versatile and can blend beautifully with other design trends. Like farmhouse, more rustic and crowded. Add burlap, galvanized metal, and reclaimed burnt wood. French country. Think elegance meets countryside. Ornate mirrors, candeliers, and tall patterns. Shabby Chic. This is its close cuisine, heavier on white and pastels, with very soft and dramatic vibes. Boho, in mimicry, brighter patterns, and global influences like Moroccan rugs or Indian block prints. Easy budget-friendly decor ideas. Paint old furniture with chalk paint for a quick vintage look. Make no-sew ruffled curtains using top cloths and clips. Use thrifted teacups for jewelry holders or candle molds. Hang old window frames or shutters as wall art. Create a photo wall using vintage frames from yard sales. Where you can find inspiration, Pinterest boards under vintage cottagecore or romantic cottage interiors. Magazines, country living, romantic homes, flower market decor. Historical inspiration behind the style. Vintage cottage decor has roots in English countryside cottage, think teeny Austrian homes, American farmhouse and southern charm, French provincial interiors. Influence from the 1940s to 1970s when home design was practical, handmade, and sentimental. It is a romanticized version of how people actually lived in older cottages, functional but beautiful, frugal but creative. How to make it feel authentic, not fake or staged. Use real vintage items. Don't buy all new windows in a spa decor, mix in authentic pieces from tipped stories or family hand-me-downs. Layer slowly over time, let your space evolve. Add things when you fall in love with them. This gives your home soul. Embrace crookedness. It is okay if your plates don't match. In fact, it is better. It is real charm. Tell stories with objects. A cheap teapot from your grandmother, a dresser you repainted, a stack of handwritten letters. They all bring depth. Seasonal styling in the vintage cottage style. Spring, fresh florals, tulip, daffodils, and wildflowers. Pastel linens, lace starless. Prints made of blossoms or herbs, light and airy curtains. Summer, use cotton throws, soft blues and whites. Shells in glass jars, sun hats hung on walls. Use breezy linen slipcovers, light oud and fresh greenery. Atom, rich textures like velvet and oud. Use warm colors like mustard, rust, faded cranberry. Use dried flowers, accent, old books, cozy plaid blanket, and antique candle holders. Personality and expression through this style. This decor style gives you a space to show who you are. You can display your collections, painters, postcards, clocks, and teacups. Create cozy reading books with layered lighting. Use tie crafts like crates, sewn cushions, or framed pressed flowers. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.